How to reopen photo on Instagram. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. Just tap open your Instagram application and make sure that you are logged in into your device. Once you are logged in, you can go ahead and check out the DM section. Now in here, just tap on the conversation you want to open up a photo in. Now you can just tap on the photo and view it. If the admin of the photo has set it to view replay or view again, you can easily tap on it to have a second look. However, if the admin of the photo or the video has placed it for view once only, you will be able to view it once. As you can see, the sparkle denotes it is placed on view 1. And so does the bomb icon that also indicates it is placed on view 1 and there is nothing that you can do. You cannot take a screenshot of it either due to the privacy and safety policy of Instagram. So if this feature is not for you, you can check out updates for your Instagram. In order to do so, you can just go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store and check out for those updates. This wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.